guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. As you can see, I'm going through my house and showing you all the mess I have to clean today. Woo! I'm starting off cleaning in the kitchen. It's my least favorite space in the house to clean, so I always like getting that knocked out first, and that way I can feel more clean and relaxed. Leave a comment down below letting me know what your least favorite task in the house is to do. There are a lot of little things that I don't like, but sometimes you just gotta get it done, right? I'm using the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaner spray in the mint scent. I like this one, I really like so far, but I would say my favorite is the basil scent. That would be my all-time favorite. It's just the best. I would say I get like 99% of all my cleaning products from Grove. This is the heavy-duty degreaser from Method. I really like this product actually. It works really well on my stove. But yeah, that's what I'm using from Grove as well. I will link everything I'm using down below, so if you have any questions, you can just look down there. And I'll also have a link to the Grove Collaborative website. I learned this trick from several YouTubers. They take a basket and they just fill it up with all the random things in the house that don't go in that particular space. So that's what I'm doing now. I'll probably get a designated basket later on, but this is the basket that I am going to be using for now to take everything where it goes. Funny story about this shelf. I actually put this shelf together. There were two bookshelves that were standing upright, and I just knocked out the middle shelf from the inside, and we flipped it over and turned it into a TV console. But hopefully I'm gonna get another one soon. So that was just a little DIY I did there. there you get a little sneak peek of my mom. She went to my house to visit me, and while I was filming, but she kept me company. It was entertaining. I had some fun with her. I was actually putting up a little hook in my room, some hooks to hang like our robes and stuff like that, and I left everything laying around as usual. I didn't put it back, and sometimes you just don't want to put things back and it just builds up and you gotta get rid of it somehow, cleaning, so you gotta do it anyway. My dad actually painted this chest when we moved into our house, when me and my husband got married, and he painted it for me. Great. My alarm is telling me I have to go to work. I had so much footage of me cleaning the bathroom and mopping and all that stuff, and I lost it. It got corrupted in the computer and it wouldn't let me open it. I could see the video, but it just wasn't letting me open it. And I had the final overview of the whole house, how everything came out. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!